Video first, second, third and fourth already included limits theory and problem solving. Today we started with video. We are discussing about the derivative theory. What are the derivative theory? Oh, most famous, we know that differentiation. How to do the differentiation of the function? There are so many functions here. One by one. Each function I am discussing here. Here have first of we say what's the derivative? Derivative. Derivative theory. Derivative or differentiation. Right. First of all, we think that some function y equal x, y equal x, y equal x. This is a simple function. It is denoting normally straight line. Normally straight line. This is a continuous function. The derivative can be used continuous or uncontinuous function as well as both. Now here, exchanging small increment give to the x. Small increment give to the x. What is happening? Y also change. Y also change. We say delta x like this. Delta x. Delta x. Right? Greek letter here, delta x. This is not a delta into x. It is one quantity. Delta x. Right. X increment by the delta x. What is happening? Here x plus delta x. X plus delta x. Right? Then similarly, corresponding variable is the y plus delta 1. Y plus delta 1. Now this function, this is 1, this is 2. 2 subtract by 1. Subtract by 1. What is happening? Delta y equal delta x. X is cancelling. X is cancelling. Y cancelling. Right? Then delta y by delta x have 1. That means some meaning you have, this is the delta y by delta x normally we are telling ratio of the increment, ratio of the increment, ratio of the increment, incremental ratio or incremental ratio. This is a very better, this is a better explanation about the calculus is here. Delta y by delta x equal 1. In delta x, we are approaching to 0. What is happening? Like this, delta y by delta x, delta x approaching to 0, limiting value, some limiting value have. But this limiting value, we are not writing like this. This limiting value denoted normally, limiting value denoted normally, dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. This is the derivative of this y equal fx, y equal x function. Actually, right hand side I have 1, there no have limit. This is also dy by dx equal 1 in this manner. Now, this is the small introduction given to the some explanation to further. Now we are going to the derivative theory directly. Right? We are here using the formula, and we discussing derivative theory. Right. Here, normally function we are writing y equal fx, y equal fx, y equal fx. When when x increment to x plus delta x, what is happening? Then corresponding increment is y tends to y plus delta 1, y plus delta 1, right? Now we can write this function, this is number 1, y plus delta y equal, y plus delta y equal f x plus delta x, number 2. Right. Here we get it here, like that. 2 subtract by 1. What is happening? It will get very more important one. Delta y equal f x plus delta x, f plus delta x minus fx, minus fx. Right? Now we divided by delta x. What is happening? Delta y over delta x equal f x plus delta x minus fx over delta x. Delta x. Now we hear delta x approaching to the 0. Approaching 0. Limiting value. Delta y by delta x. Delta x. Limiting value. Limit 0 equal here also have x plus delta x minus fx over delta x. Here also delta x tend to 0 limiting value. Here some explanation given to here. This one left hand side we are telling delta y over delta x tend to 0, denoting normally dy by dx. This is the famous one of the differentiation of the functions dy by dx. And right hand side normally that is also dy by dx. Some another reason we are giving, normally this is applied here, f dash x. That means first derivative of the fx function. Dash means first derivative of the fx function or derivative of the fx function is left hand side dy by dx. Dy by dx. Right? Dy by dx. And this is also can be say earlier normally we are using this one. Now we are not using this one. Actually, this is called the incremental ratio limiting value. Incremental ratio limiting value. Right? Incremental ratio limiting value. Now we are using these terms. Delta y by delta x tends to 0. Limiting value is that dy by dx, denoting dy by dx. We are using as the dy by dx this quantity. This quantity normally denoted by f dash x. That means first derivative of the fx function. This is the derivative of the function dy by dx equal f dash x. Now we see how to differentiate the function. That is system called normally differentiation. This is writing system called differentiation of the function. Right? Actually, calculus is very important in this one, differentiation of the function. If you like to see more, you observe these things. Again, I am saying y equal fx function, x increment by x plus delta x, y increment corresponding value y plus delta y, then y plus delta y equal fx plus delta x, then 2 minus 1 given delta y equal fx plus delta x minus fx. Now divided by delta x, then delta y over delta x equal fx plus delta x minus fx over delta x. Then limiting value taking delta x approach into the 0, limiting value, both sides, it will gain, normally this is, normally we are not writing, this is writing here, dy by dx equal f dash x. Dy by dx is f dash x. How to differentiate the function and what is the formula we will need the function? This is the formula for the derivative. This is a very easy formula. Any power of the function we are taking, this is telling we are getting y equal x to the power of n. N can be rational or integer or any value, minus value. Integer or positive integer or negative integer or zero or rational value. Now differentiate this function, normally telling dy by dx equal n times this one, nx n minus 1. Very simple one, but very simple one, but this is going to be very deep, so many theories. Right. Y equal xn, dy by dx equal nxn minus 1. Similarly, we can say y equal a x n. What is this one? According to this theorem, dy by dx equal n a x to n minus 1. N a x n minus 1. Right? Now we are thinking about that there are so many functions have. First, we are considering here algebraic function only. Algebraic function. Little by little by, they are discussing the various functions, logarithm function, exponential function, implicit function, trigonometric function. There are so many functions there. Any function differentiated using for these formula. This is the x value, this is y value, this is the power, like this. Now have some theorems regarding about these derivatives. Now we are discussing the theorem. Actually, any function made by some addition or some subtracting or some multiplying or some quotient, like any function have addition, subtract, or multiple or quotient, like dividing. First theorem is this one. U and V are function of x. Function of x. Function of x. If first theorem takes y equal u plus o minus v. Addition and subtraction both together take. Then dy by dx equal all the time. Same way, we can differentiate. Differentiating coefficient we are telling here, du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. This is the first function. This is the first theory. First theorem. Number 2 derivative theorem, y equal uv. This is the product. If we get in product, two functions have product. Algebraic for any function. Then dy by dx equal, first take this one, u. U differentiate by v. U dv by dx plus then v taken v du by dx. Du by dx. Right? This is the 2. Then quotient. Number 3. Division. This quotient or division. Y equal u over v. This is getting function dy by dx equal v du by dx. Remember this one, follow, minus u dv by dx. U by dx over v square. How to take this one? Like this have u over v. First v taken v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v square. Like that. How to say v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v square. This is the most important theorem. In the system of the differentiation, we are using these things. Now another one have this one. Three functions, some way we are meeting same function. Like this. Number four theorem, y equal uvw. UVW, this is the W also function of x. This is take like this, dy by dx equal. First take this one, uv dw by dx. Plus, then vw, this take vw du by dx. Du by dx plus, then uw dv by dx. This is also very important. We remember this thing. This is very important for the three function. If they are given three function, product of three function, how to differentiate like this? The system using, we are telling the differentiation. Dy by dx we normally call it different coefficient of differentiation. Coefficient of derivation or first derivative. Differentiation of coefficient or first derivative. Now here, now another theory we are explaining here. Chain rule. That is very, very important thing. Chain rule. What is the chain rule? Chain rule is the function of the function. Some function has function of the function. Say like this. A x squared plus bx plus c is the function. This is function called power of n. This is not the xn type. X, instead of the x, have this function. How to derivative this one? This system we are calling chain rule, like this. Dy by dx equal, remember this, dy by dx equal, first one function, we are thinking about one function, then n ax squared plus bx plus c. Then thereafter, this is considering. Differentiate this one. This is like a xn type. This differentiate is coming 2ax. After this differentiate coming, what then? This is the power of 1bx 0 plus b. This is a constant differentiating Cx 0 like this. This is 0, this is not taking. This is the chain rule. Right? This is the most important chain rule. This is most important chain rule. Some explanations we are taking some sums to do using the IBA function. Now we are getting here given differentiate following function. Normally given like differentiate following function. Differentiate following function. This is the number one question. Y equal x cube plus 3x squared plus 2. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal like this 3x 2 nx n minus 1 3x 3 minus 1 plus this is 6x1 1 not to be put here 2 is the 0 right 2 to be 0 this like 2x 0 like that right this is negligible. Number 2 y equal x plus 1 to the power of half. This is a function of function. We must use in this thing chain rule. Before the chain rule using your understanding, I am writing here according to theory dy by dx equal half times x plus 1 differentiate half minus 1 minus half then differentiate x plus 1 come in 1 right this is the function. Number 3 y equal x squared plus 1 x cube plus 2. This is the UV type product of the function. How to differentiate? Already I have formula introduced in earlier. Here dy by dx equal u dv by dx plus v du by dx. U dv by dx plus v du by dx. Right? Now we can say dy by dx equal, right? Initially you write like this, x squared plus 1 d by dx x cube plus 2 plus x cube plus 2 d by dx x squared plus 1 x squared plus 1. What is this writing? U dv by dx plus v du by d. This step all these things x squared plus 1 into differentiate this one how much? 3x squared, right? Plus differentiate x cube plus 2. This differentiate 2x. This is a solution. This is also, right? If you like, you can simplify. Not necessarily simplify. Initially, you write this. If the question says that you have to prove this thing, you have to simplify, attempt to get into this result. Here are making division. Divisional one. Divisional one take. Divisional one take y equal x over x plus 1. So x plus 1. This is UV shape. UV form. U over V form. What is the differentiation of this? Differentiation coefficient? dy by dx equal u dv by v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v square. I write in the formula dy by dx equal v du by dx minus v du by v du by dx v du by dx minus u dv by dx v du by sorry v du by dx minus u dv by dx u dv by dx or v square. Apply to here this one. This is u, this is v. X plus 1 into differentiation of u, du by d. Differentiation by x, what's up, and 1. 1 x, 1 minus 1. Minus u is x, x times differentiation of x plus 1. Then, dv by dx. Differentiation plus 1, 1 again. Over v square. V square is the x plus 1 square. Right? These are the simple algebraic function, how to differentiate and how to create in the derivative. First derivative, we are here using taking here first derivative of the given function. First derivative of the given function. First derivative of the given function. Right. Now we are again taking another question, very harder one, this one. Harder one. Y equal square root of x squared plus 1 times x cubed plus 1. This is actually u into v type, but this is the function of the function. Carefully differentiate. If you like, apply the theory directly, you can write this one, dy by dx equal square root of x squared plus 1 into d by dx x cubed plus 1. What we written here? U dv by dx. This is u dv by dx. V is the this one. Plus here coming x cubed plus 1. V du by dx. D by dx x square plus 1 to the power of half. You have to go further here. This is not finished. This is the explanation given. Formula, according to the formula, explanation given. Now here we can write again dy by dx equal square root of x square plus 1. How to differentiate this one? X cube divided 3x square. 3x square. Plus here x cube plus 1 into this function of the function. Now to function of the function, we know that. Before I explain, half x square plus 1 differentiation of this one product 2x 2 cancel. This is the final answer. Final answer of this, right? Final answer of this, right? Now, then next video I am discussing about the algebraic function, more question about the algebraic function. Then one by one discussing already other functions also. We follow this in carefully. Right. Thank you very much. If you like, you can subscribe the video. Thank you very much.